Hi guys, welcome to this new video. Today I'd like to go over an idiomatic expression that you might hear every once in a while, and if you don't know what it is, what it means, you'll be completely lost. There's no way you can find out what it means. Maybe based on context, but just to help you, I'm going to tell you what it is now. The expression is manger à tous les râteliers, and originally it was used during the 17th or 18th century, I believe, and it was in farms, if I'm not mistaken, and they would put those containers for all the animals and cattle to eat. So they would be all over the walls. And it would be easy for cattle and animals to just go eat from one to another. So that's where we got the expression from manger à tous les râteliers. And that's really about someone who might have convictions, but they're not so strong. And they might be leaning towards some kinds of people. But, anytime he has an opportunity to get something from anyone, he'll go with them. Okay, let's say you hate one kind of people, but if they invite you and then they'll treat you to something, to a dinner, they can offer you a job or anything, you'll go with them. You'll sell your soul for nothing, for a dime. All right, that's the idea really. So if I give you an example, it would be something like bon, tu connais pas vraiment Max, hein? Il mange à tous les râteliers. Hein? You don't really know Max, He'll just go everywhere with it. He'll hang out with it just about anyone, just whenever he gets a chance to get anything from anybody. That's the idea. I've got a couple of expressions of translations for you. In the United States, at least, it would be, he has a finger in every pie. I don't think I've ever heard anybody use it, but then again, I don't know. Or also, he runs with the hare and hunts with the hounds. So if you're from North America or even from England or Australia, I'd be very curious to know your take on that one. If you've ever heard those, if you would ever use them at all. I don't think I've ever heard them. Anyway, the next one is a little old too. I think it's probably an expression straight from the 80s. It's rouler des mécaniques, which is a bit of an old-fashioned way of saying to show off. Okay, so regarde-le comme il roule des mécaniques. So to roll one's mechanics, whatever that means really. You can't really translate that word for word. So, rouler des mécaniques, yes, it's a way of saying to show off, which is really crâner or frimer. All right, so regarde-le comme il roule des mécaniques. Regarde-le, il roule des mécaniques. He's showing off. All right. That's it for today. If you have any questions, post them below. Any comments, same thing, post them below. And don't forget to go to our website. The link is right there. And you can subscribe to the entire course monthly for under $10 with promo code France. That's for the first month. Take advantage of it. Go through the entire course and drop me a line if you want to know where the gems in the course are. They're all over the place, from level 1 to advanced French B. There are gems, lessons on important structures that we only learn in immersion that are all over the course. So send me a note to ask me where they are. I'll send you the list precisely to find them right away. Go over the entire course, and then you can either unsubscribe, continue for the original price of $19.95 a month, or you can switch to a purchase of any package that you want. All right? If you have any questions, send me a note at alex@languagecity.com, and I'll see you soon on Language City, and you'll see what it's like to speak like a native. À bientôt. Salut.